Hey everybody, welcome to Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai.
And I'm Brent.
Brent, you know what? We have a mystery package here.
Mystery package.
Yeah, bud. I know what it is. I know what it is, but you don't.
No. I love mystery packages though.
Try to guess.
If you want me to, should I read the back of the bag because it's giving it away right now?
Oh, yeah, it's from
BarBarrito.
BarBarrito.
Is this the Pembroke location?
Yeah, so it's a Mexican joint.
I love Mexican food.
So, are you hungry?
Yeah?
Well,
yeah,
that's
I could
great.
eat. I could always eat.
He's gonna have to wait because I am not opening that yet. What's in there, bud? What do you think I ordered?
Well, they sell burritos, burrito bowls. They sell tacos. They sell churros.
Yes, they do.
And they have these fancy drinks in there.
Yeah, and they have these fries that they do differently.
Yeah.
Like the Mexicans, right? They do things right. So,
I dig it.
Do you want me to open it up?
Yeah, let's get into it, bud.
Nah.
Let's see what you got in there. Come on.
No.
Our audience is just in awe
Here it
right
is.
now.
Brent loves to eat. And I'm just gonna make him sweat. So, have you ever been to Mexico?
No.
Never,
I'd
right?
love to go though because I've got this affinity for the capybara.
The capybara.
Yeah, the capybara.
Yeah, what's a capybara again? That's that little animal that people
No, it's
eat?
a big one. It's like a big guinea pig, but
Oh, it's a big guinea pig.
it's sacred.
Maybe there's one in there.
Maybe we're eating capybara.
We could be. I don't know if they have capybara
It's
there.
not sacred up here.
And how hungry are you?
I'm pretty hungry.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna make him wait.
Ooh.
Okay.
My tummy's
All right, I'm gonna open this up,
Okay.
and I'm going to let you know what's in there.
Okay. Oh, a little peephole there in the bag.
Look at that, eh? All right, I'm hungry too, by the way. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna review this. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, we got some chips.
Arriba!
I guess that's what you're eating.
Yeah. I'm gonna get into one of these chips. What's this? Little salsa?
Little salsa. There, now you can see us. Oh.
I'm gonna try one of these while you're getting into that.
Well, no, I'm just gonna let it sit there for a bit. I'm gonna make him sweat. He wasn't very nice to me today, so. Or were you?
I was nice today.
All right, let's see what's in here. I'm hungry now, so.
Might have been another day.
Oh, check this out, dude.
Oh, look at these things.
Wow.
Okay.
So they're street tacos, bud.
Street taco. Let's pull this side down.
Yeah.
So maybe you can show that.
I mean, this is jerk chicken. Street tacos.
What did you call me?
A jerk chicken.
Los Pollos Jerk?
That's so, they are a little small. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
It looks really, really good. I've got some green peppers in there. I've got some pickled onions. Jerk chicken, obviously. Cheese. Tomatoes.
Oh, and they've got those colorful, what is that? Pickled,
Pickled
turnip?
onions. I think pickled. Well, anyway, I'm just going to get right into this. Look at that drip in there.
Oh, get into that
It
thing,
smells
man.
really good.
Take a bite.
I'm going to.
If any of you guys have been to BarBarrito in Pembroke or a BarBarrito anywhere, then I'm sure you guys have tried the tacos. And if you haven't tried the tacos, well, we're trying it now, and you should try it too.
Wow. This is, I don't think it's comparable to Mexico if you had a street vendor in Mexico, a food street vendor in Mexico selling tacos, but you know what? It is flavorful. It's really, really good. The jerk chicken isn't overly hot. The only thing that I would prefer, I've never had these before, is that they're a little bit too small for me.
Yeah, they're like
Yeah, they're like just
size.
tiny. Yeah, they're like
Yeah.
kid size, like, you know, for your 5-year-old. And between Brett and I, we could probably eat 30 of these. They're very delicious, though. Very, very good. Right?
I dig it, yeah.
Like,
It's a good thing they gave us some tortilla chips and salsa.
wow. Those are, you know, I love.
Very tasty.
Very, very tasty, guys. They did a really good job on these. They could have filled them up a little bit more, though. I'm gonna go in there next week and I'm gonna tell them. Because these were like $12 for 3. So that's $4 a pop.
Wow.
A little expensive for my liking. This is not gonna fill us up, Brent.
Nope. But luckily,
Especially now because
We have some cold snacks for after this.
Super good though. Wow. This is dripping good food. Like, guys, BarBarrito in Pembroke. If you have a huge appetite, I would get 2 boxes of these. Again, it's going to be pretty pricey, but delicious. Very, very good. All right.
Yeah,
Woohoo!
I love it. This is like, you know what? I've been to BarBarrito. It's been years since I've been there, but I can tell you this: the burritos are fantastic. I mean, you're gonna pay like $18 for a fully stuffed large burrito, but it's filling, especially if you get the beans and the rice in there as well.
Wow.
Oh, so good.
You know what?
Get into the chicken.
I could probably eat 6 of these. I'm not kidding you. But that would cost me $24, right?
Oh, hold on here. There we go.
$24? Wow. Woohoo!
Well, thanks for picking that up, bud.
Too bad you only got one, huh?
That's okay. I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna out of a review. Since we're doing a food review here,
I'm just gonna do this. Wait, stop.
I'm gonna give it
I have
a
all over
7 out of 10, bud. You know why?
Oh yeah?
They're losing points for the portion size, but it's right up there because they are flavorful and they are delicious.
Okay, you keep talking. I'm gonna eat.
You go right ahead. Guys, if you like our food reviews, this is the first one.
Yep.
Check us out on Facebook, SNG Live on Facebook, Shits and Giggles on YouTube, SNG Live on Rumble. We're now on Rumble, and we're also on Daily Motion. SNG Live on Daily Motion.
I pay this guy way too much money, man, but he's on top of things. He does all this work for Shits and Giggles,
Getting it happening.
right? And he's getting it happening. We got some more exciting stuff coming up shortly in the next week or 2 that you need to watch for. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So,
So tune in for that, guys, and we're gonna see you next time.
And like and subscribe to our Shits and Giggles channel on whatever the platforms he said were.
All those platforms.
See you next time around.
See ya.